This is my video on the Lennox Pulse 21 furnace. As you can see here, I wanted to make this video because I watched some other videos and looked some other stuff up online to try to fix this recently myself, and I couldn't find exactly what my problem was. So I'll get to the point right here. This PVC exhaust system, and if you follow this all the way up, it'll eventually, this will go outside of your home. This will be sticking out of your house. And by the way, this is another tip: always make sure that is free of ice, because it will drip ice in the middle of winter. So clean that. But here is the problem right here, and I did end up calling service, but I had a suspicion that this was the problem, and when I told him that, what I thought it was, he was able to go right to it. So it didn't take that long, at least, and it wasn't barely any materials. So right here is the problem. At the end of this cap, it was making a gurgling noise. This is the cap that was replaced. So this is the original here. As you can see, full of sand, debris, rust. What I was informed of was that these heat exchangers, when they're forged, attract sand during the process. So over the years, a lot of the sand has fallen off as it's dried, and this is what was in the bottom. This is the original cap, which can easily be cut off. Anyone can do this. You can see that there's another 1/4-inch pipe down in there, so be careful of that. This was done with the reciprocating saw, but even if you didn't have that, you could cut it with a hacksaw. Just be careful that you don't snap or crack this other smaller 1/4-inch pipe that's in there. And also, what he did was take just like a side cutters and trim that smaller pipe just slightly shorter, so it can breathe if any more does collect in there. But now it's very easy to you can see that this is easily removed. You can check it periodically to see if there's any debris in there. So that is the end of my video. I hope this helps someone, because it would have helped me had I known exactly what the problem was and how to fix it.